All right, so we're installing the ceramic brake pads from Advanced Auto Parts on the back. You know what you're gonna do? Definitely inspect your rotors. Like mine, they need to be replaced, but I'm gonna have to do that in another video when I get those into the mail. Anyway, so getting back to the brakes. All right, you're definitely gonna need a little bit of your penetrating fluid. I love this stuff. It works so good. It smells awful, but it works great. You're gonna go ahead and take your punch and go through here and tap out your holding pin. This is going to be under a little bit of tension and pressure, so you're going to have to take something and push down here at the bottom, and then on top pull your pin out simultaneously. All right, so we're just going to put back the brake pad wear sensor. There's only one in the front and one in the back. So there's a hole in the brake pads, and then there's a place you can snug the clip into the brake pads also. So just kind of push it in there, just click in just like that. Make sure that's kind of cleaned off any kind of debris and stuff like that, you know, because you want a nice tight fit so no water gets inside of there or anything like that. So mine's just a little bit dirty, and decided to take a little pair of needle nose pliers and kind of push it in there nice and tightly. But if you use a new one, it will go in a little bit smoother. So yeah, it's right there. So after you get that, just kind of double check, wiggle everything, make sure it's nice and firm and in place, and you're pretty much all done right there.